Time Quest, the clock adventure. Hey there, friends. I'm Tick, and I've got numbers all around.
And I'm Tock. I've got moving hands that spin round and round. Together, we're going to learn how to tell time. Ready? Let's go on a time quest.
First stop, meet the numbers. They're super important to telling time. Say hi to 1, 2, 3, all the way to 12.
Each number stands for an hour. Watch closely as my big hand points to 12. That's where we start each hour. Look, my short hand is called the hour hand. Right now it's pointing at 3. So it's 3 o'clock. My long hand is the minute hand. When it goes all the way around and lands back on 12, one whole hour has passed.
Did you spot those little lines? Each line is a minute. There are 60 of them on the clock.
Let's count them by fives. Ready?
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Time for a challenge. Let's see if you can read the time with us.
I'll point my hands and you shout out what time it is. Here we go.
What time is it?
Shout it out.
You said the time is 6 o'clock. Yes, correct. You are right. Good job.
What time is it? Shout it out.
You said the time is 3:30. Yes, correct. You are right. Well done. Wow, you did amazing. Now you know all about the hour and minute hands and how to read time.
Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a time-telling hero.
Thanks for joining us on our time quest. Until next time, keep ticking and talking.